What is going on, guys? It's Justin from the J Media back with another video. So I recently installed my Power Acoustik CP71 radio to the car. Only issue is I have an Android phone. I have a Google Pixel phone and it comes factory with the Apple CarPlay. Thankfully for us Android guys, they recently did an Android Auto update. Not too many videos on how to get it done, so let me show you the full process on how to update your stereo so you can support Android Auto. So first things first, you want to pull up the computer. You're going to go on Google and search Power Acoustik CP71W Android Auto. Now you're going to go ahead and scroll down till you find this article that says Power Acoustik Wireless Android Auto Update, and this is from the Power Acoustik official website. So you're going to click on that link. So that will bring you to a PDF file. So over here we have instructions on how to get it done. So what you need is you need a thumb drive. They recommend a good brand like SanDisk, Samsung. You also want to make sure that your thumb drive is formatted. So make sure it's empty, nothing in there. You want to make sure it's at least a 16 gigabyte thumb drive. In my case, I have a SanDisk and it's 256, so more than sufficient. And then you're going to go ahead and download this update. So there's file, small little file that you click on and download. So pretty much once you download it, you're going to go upload it to your thumb drive. So I already had it downloaded. Let's go ahead and open it up. So when you download it, it comes as a zip file. So you want to make sure to uncompress, unzip it. Just like that. And you're going to go ahead and transfer it over to the thumb drive. Alright, so right now we are copying the files over. Like I say, you do have to uncompress or unzip those files. Once you have them transferred to your thumb drive, it should show something like that. A folder that says update and a folder that says ispboot.bin. So right now that is in my thumb drive. I'm going to go ahead and unplug the thumb drive and upload it to the stereo. Alright, next step, you're going to come into your car. If you're like me, you're super excited that you have installed the Power Acoustik radio. If you guys want to see an in-depth video on how to get it installed step by step, I do have another video on the channel, just a previous video, so make sure to click on that to check it out. We have the USB cable, so we're going to go ahead and plug in the USB to the USB port, which I have tucked right here. Also, you want to go ahead and power on the radio. So let me just put it to accessory mode. So now that it's powered on, then you plug in the USB cable. Okay, and now with the USB port plugged in, you're going to go ahead and click on settings right here. And you're going to go ahead and scroll down till you see serial and version. I should say scroll to the next page. Scroll down, serial and version right there. Click on that. You're going to click on. Alright, so you're going to go ahead and click on update, firmware update, firmware version. Click on update. And it's going to take a couple minutes here. Just let it do its thing and load. So some people are saying that when you click on update on the radio, it doesn't work, and that's because you didn't follow the instructions and download the file to a USB before updating it. So screen's going to be black. Let's see what happens. Just wait for it for a few minutes. It's rebooting right now with the new firmware update. And previously on the side it just says Apple CarPlay. So right now once it boot up with the firmware update, it should say Android Auto as well. Right, so everything reboot. It asks for what language. I said English. Select your country. Oh, so we gotta readjust your radio settings. More importantly, let's go ahead and get this adjusted so we can take a look at our Android Auto. Alright, so now we have the Android Auto showing up on the screen with the Apple CarPlay. Previously it was just Apple CarPlay. Right now we have Android Auto wireless as well. And I have my Google Pixel 8 Pro connected, connecting. So you do have to switch on your Bluetooth to connect and Google Maps work. So just to show you guys, over here is the Google Maps on my phone, wireless. I don't have anything plugged in, and the radio is synced to my phone. Wireless Android Auto is working on the Google Maps. And Spotify works as well. Turn off the music, no copyright. But yeah, whatever music I'm playing on my cell phone is also going to show up on the screen as well. So pretty much screen mirroring. My contacts can make calls. I haven't tested quality of calls yet, but main thing I'll use it for is for music, for Google Maps when I'm navigating and driving. If you want to go back, click on that, power Acoustik, and you're back at the home screen. So you can go to radio, you can just do Bluetooth, music. So nice. And if you guys stay to the end, I really like this install. I waited for quite a while because I wasn't sure if they were going to release the Android Auto version. Previously it was just the wireless Apple CarPlay, but I'm so glad that now we have Android Auto. I don't have to connect my phone to it. And I wanted to keep the radio S2000 doors. So really nice. $150 from Walmart, can't go wrong. If you guys want to watch the full install video, it is in the previous video, more in-depth. This is just showing you guys Android Auto. So yeah, I would recommend for $150 you can keep your radio door and Android Auto or Apple CarPlay. Leave a thumbs up, subscribe. Catch you guys in the next one.